Hello, my name is Rachel Salas and I'm a student assistant in the Creat'R Lab. We are open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. every Monday through Friday. Today I will be showing you how to use our pin maker. Before using equipment, use the QR code to record what equipment you will be using and to go over our policy guidelines. Another disclaimer, before using equipment, keep all hands, hair, and loose clothing away from the machine while operating. The equipment is first come, first serve, located in the black storage unit behind the front desk. There are two pin sizes available, small and big. The small is sized at 1 1/4 inches and the big is 3 inches. There are hole punchers for both sized pins. Insert the paper strip, center the design, push down the handle until the design is punched all the way out. Repeat this process to your desired amount. The materials needed are the shell front, the shell back, the mylar paper, and the design. Insert the shell front on the pin maker on the front side. It will be labeled at the bottom of it. Insert the design facing towards you and then the mylar paper on top. Swivel under the tool and pull the handle to stamp the pin to which it will disappear. Then insert the shell backing with the pin horizontally. The part to pin should be underneath and not facing towards you. The squiggly part will be on top, face towards you, and stamped into the front shell. You've completed your pin. Repeat this process as many times as desired. Don't forget to scan our QR code to notify us of your equipment usage. That is how you use the pin maker. For further help or questions, please come visit us in the Creat'R Lab, which is located in the Orbach Library, room 140. You can also email us at creatorlab@ucr.edu.